something awesome. Are you guys ready for one more time for the Monster Truck? Say yeah! Brisbane, you're a little bit quiet. I know it's the end of the show. I think you can give us one more big yeah. Brisbane, are you ready? Say yeah! All right, we better get out of the way because we're going to bring the Monster Trucks out for the freestyle session. Here we go. Session is all about going crazy at the end of the day. And here is our favorite, let's welcome Buddy. Let's welcome Wacky New, our winner of our racing earlier. Now remember, when we interviewed Jack, the driver, he said, I'm going to give it a red hot go in the expression section. Now's his chance. Here we go. Let's welcome Jack in a Wacky New. final jump. And now let's welcome to the mix the executioner. He's going to give it a red hot go. All right, executioner, show us what you got. Hold up, Brisbane. What's going on here? I hope you're ready for this. Get your cameras ready. Oh, yeah. How good was that? Right up in the air, on the nose. Brisbane, he's going to line it up and do it again. Get them cameras ready. Come on, executioner. We believe in you. Up and yeah, Brisbane! Make some noise. Today here at MONSTER TRUCK MANIA Live! Make some noise for our monster trucks and our drivers! We hope you've enjoyed today's show. We thank you all for coming. You've seen a little bit of everything today. Monster trucks, freestyle motocross. You've seen the jet car and everything else as well as the mini monster trucks. It's all happened today. We thank you all for coming. Now our drivers and our riders are going to be in the foyer after the show signing autographs. So if you want to get some merchandise signed or a t-shirt, you can grab that and come and see them. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Super Tony. Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time. Bye.